Struggling with snoring or waking up tired? It might be as simple as breathing wrong at night. I found the Brison Nasal Dilator, and it's a game changer. This tiny device boosts airflow by up to 70%, helping me breathe easier and sleep deeper. No more dry mouth or snore wars, just clean, open airflow all night long. I love that I can choose between soft for sleep or firm for my active days. Plus, it stays in place even when I toss and turn. It's reusable, hygienic, and honestly, it's changed my life. Breathe better, sleep better, live better with Brison.